In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to customize the wording in the end of year tax letter or giving letter. As a system admin, point to reports, click on customize letters and receipts. The tax letter form page is the first one you land on. To make any changes, you must first click enable editing before you can get into the text boxes, to make the changes you want. Now, to make any change, you can use any one of these values: year, first name, last name, full name, total amount, currency symbol, and currency name. Here is an example of how you would formulate a statement. The idea basically is wherever you have a curly brace expression or handlebar value, um, the system will replace the value that's indicated. So if we took last name and put it in each of these boxes and made a sentence with it, if you wanted to, then the person's last name will show up wherever you have last name. And that's how this works. So here you have currency name. If you didn't want um, the total amount, here it says during the year 2025 or whatever year it is, your financial contributions given in whatever the currency name is in various categories total. And then here we're putting the symbol, for example, the dollar sign, and then the amount. If you did not want the symbol, you would type name there. If you wanted the currency name, and it will be total US dollars and the amount. In this case, you probably want to put a space, otherwise the US dollars like this would just be right next to the amount. But this is how you modify, you make changes to the wording of the tax letter. Once you make your changes, you click the update button, and the system will update it and tell you, and you see if the boxes are all disabled again. To go back to the system defaults, you enable editing and you click on reset, accept, click update, and then you're back to the system default values. Uh, Important note here, you cannot change what's in this text box. To categorize contributions, that is, whatever actual payments a person has made. Uh, for example, tithes, offering, that grouping of payments will show up in this area. And last note is the order in which these boxes appear is the order in which the content will appear in the letter. This is the first thing in the letter, then this is the second set, this is the third, categorized contributions will be the fourth. For example, if you did not want something that says a summary of your contributions is outlined below, then you would just clear everything from that text box. Or if you wanted to put the person's name and say George, Jeremy, you would edit this and put in, let's just do that quickly. You would edit this, and I'm going to copy this so there's no error. Copy and paste. I can come here just to personalize this further and say, put that lowercase a. So this, if the person's name is George, this sentence will say something like George, comma, a summary of your contributions is outlined below, and that's how you get to personalize and make changes to the wording that's used in the tax letters.